Hi, Blake. Blake, can you show me your little mohawk there that stands straight up? Say hi. Say hi. Can you give us a smile? Hey, can you give us a smile? Or just jump. Yeah. You're a sweet little girl. Here's another little girl. Hi, Echo. Connor, what are you doing? Are you erasing? Connor, can you say hi? You're on the camera.
Hi.
Show us the picture you're making. Oh, good job. Show me how the eraser works. Will you show me how the eraser works? Good job. This is a cool book, isn't it? And can you show me which of these, Connor? I want to show off how smart you are. Connor, look. Which one of these is a penny? Can you show me which one's a penny?
I want it.
You don't want to pay attention to me? Which one's a penny? Okay. You got to push a little harder to make it erase. Hey, Blake. Blake, I don't know if this video is going to show your cute little mohawk that always escapes the grasp. I think you'd have to stay still for me to be able to get it, and I don't think it's... Whoa. So it's about time to eat some green beans. Can you say something, Blake? Blake, can you say something real quick? Say hi. Say hi. I know you're just in your jumping mode. Everybody's ignoring Mom. Except for little Echo. Echo's a good girl. I know you. We need to get you a bigger, more sturdy little jumper. Connor, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
You're doing such a good job coloring your picture. So pretty. Connor, what's on your shirt? A left-handed color. Okay, well, as much fun as it is being ignored, I think I'm just going to turn off the video.